the course. Dr. Anand Nigam, please come on the stage and introduce the course.
Welcome.
Welcome you all to the Kanpur Orthoplasty course. It's a totally an informal course, and we are happy and delighted to have all of you here, including the foreign faculty and the national faculty over here. And it's indeed a great pleasure to introduce my core committee over here who has got an idea trauma course since last 3 years, which has also been a great success in the past, and hopefully we will do it in future also. Dr. Shatley.
Thank you, Dr. Anand. And it's a team effort, friends. We are going to start, and I'll just say that our focus has been to spread the message of getting excellence in practice. That's all. Ultimately, the outcome is important because it directly helps our patient. It directly helps the society where we live in. And orthopedic surgeons have got two things. Number one is acquiring knowledge. Number two, practicing the skill. So, through this course, we are also trying to get a wider horizon, a better knowledge, and then you see the surgery, so you can see the skills of masters of the game, and you can always acquire the small tips and pearls and the small tricks which these masters follow. So idea is to get knowledge as well as the trick which you can always practice in your own setup. With this, I changed all the messages will go to you through multiple case discussions, various scenarios which you encounter in practice, so that we can always relate with every case, we can find out what are the options. And friends, in our branch, there's no my way or highway type of thing. There can be many ways to do or achieve the same goal. And one should be well versed with what goals are there. Yes, we must be practicing one approach, one step, one idea, one variety, but you must be aware what others are there. They were not here because just Dr. Sanjay Verma, who is now head of the department of DSM, he came here and just had to go back again. He will come back after 1 year. But people who are here, can I request them to come on the stage? My core committee members, Dipankar, you can come. Alok, please. Bhaskar, Pankaj Chandan. I know we have got a big team which we started with a small group. Amit, please. We started with a small group, but now we have got a big team. The intention is same. We have to learn and keep on learning all the time. Purnia, they're all on way, so they must be reaching any time. I just wish they are here. Abhijit has come from Jabalpur, but he has probably gone to take breakfast. But this is the team which is working there hard. Acha, come on, please, you're also a core committee. So the core committee we have formed over the years, which has become very, very big now. The idea is we should all unite together to give a single message, and united we stand in the cooperation amongst ourselves in now different areas. Dr. K.T. Tripathi, why you are sitting there? Please. K.T. Tripathi is going to be one of the founders of this AIM where we are practicing. He is a joint placement surgeon in Allahabad. So we can always have interactive sessions and discussions all the time. That is every year, and I can assure you, friends, we will keep on going. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
And we are here to help them out at any moment of crisis. We don't want to highlight ourselves, but this is basically a team effort which is going to work. Because the basic requirement of the time is to be with the race, and we have to be with the race. ख्वाहिश बेटी मेरे यहाँ सर, ख्वाहिश नहीं है मुझे कुछ मशहूर होने की। आप मुझे पहचानते हो, बस इतना ही काफी है। कुछ ने अच्छा जाना मुझे, कुछ ने बुरा जाना मुझे, लेकिन जिसकी जितनी जरूरत थी उसने उतना ही पहचाना मुझे। क्या फलसफा है जिंदगी का ये भी, क्या फलसफा है जिंदगी का ये भी कि जीत जाओ तो अपने पीछे छूट जाते हैं और हार जाओ तो अपने ही छोड़ जाते हैं। थैंक यू।
We are starting now the proceedings with the common session that will actually relate to both the hip and knee, actually the joint replacement surgery. So the first talk by Dr. S.U. Singh from Kolkata, the legal aspects.
And another good thing, he was introduced as orthopedic surgeon from Kolkata, but he is from our own alma mater. He is from GSV Medical College, making big name in Kolkata, and we feel proud for that.
Here is a big clap.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। कानपुर में दो कारण से आता हूँ। एमएस यहीं से पास आउट किया है, बॉस लोगों के साथ मिलना होता है। दूसरा जो बहुत बड़ा रीजन है, हमको हिंदी बोलने को मिलता है। पूरे टाइम बंगाली वहाँ पे हमने सीखा था, पहला वर्ड सीखा था ताड़ाताड़ी, समझ में नहीं आता था, सभी लोग बोलते थे ताड़ाताड़ी। मैं पूछा भी ये ताड़ाताड़ी क्या है, बोलते थोड़ा जल्दी कर दो। तो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट वर्ड व्हिच आई लर्न इन बंगाली। तो उसके बाद बोलते अभी ऐसा सिचुएशन हो गया है ना, इंग्लिश ढंग से बोलता हूँ ना हिंदी बोलता हूँ ढंग से ना बंगाली, तीनों को हमेशा खिचड़ी बनाता हूँ। हिंदी के साथ बंगाली बोलता हूँ, बंगाली के साथ इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ। तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट सिनेरियो। तो जो भी मैं बोलूँगा थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी बोलने की भी कोशिश करूँगा, सो दैट आई कैन लर्न हिंदी एट लीस्ट। So what is counseling basically? Counseling is not to prepare the patient for the surgery. Basically it is to satisfy the patient after the surgery. That is very much important. I operated one patient 2 days back, 1 month back. This is the real story. There was a tendency for the anterior subluxation. I said, okay, you will be all right, but that patient is having no pain. That particular knee is painful. Not up to high degree, but it's painful. Everything is right, ROM is good, range of movement is full, but the patient is not satisfied. They said, okay, I met that particular patient and they operated. Now after 10 days, that patient is walking normally, there is no pain. This is the picture, how Dr. A.S. Prasad do and how I did. So I had to learn with him. So, but if it is an art, then I have to learn one by one, step by step. So the first thing, what we need to explain that the knee replacement is a reliable surgery. If you can encounter the Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he is the most difficult hurdle. जिसको भी बोलो no, get the operated, get the knee operated and get the TCAT done, then they will say okay, Atal Bihari ने तो किया था, वो तो successful हुआ नहीं. How will you assure me that this surgery is going to help me out? The second thing, tell them very clearly what you should expect after the surgery. That is very much important. And the third thing, tell them what are the complications, at least those complications which are going to come immediately, early complication. For the late complication or delayed complication, you can consult your senior or you can refer it to the Dr. A.S. Prasad. There is no problem. He has to handle, he has to take the headache. But you will be saved. You have to look for the early complication and you have to tell the patient for the early complications. So this is what are the goals. One is the improved quality of life. That does not mean the husband and wife will not fight. Because we have to clarify what does it mean improved quality of life. That means, yes, if you are bounded to your bed to the kitchen, then you will be out of your home. You can socialize, you can go to the ceremonies, you can go to your relatives. This is called as the quality life. The second thing is the pain relief. What is pain relief? Patient get operated, okay, then he says, no, I cannot walk, I'm not well, my back is hurting me, I cannot walk right now. What do you say that there will be pain relief? Where is the pain relief? You have to clarify that this is pain relief means the area where I'm going to operate, not to the entire body. Very common problem. वो सब पेशेंट बोलता है, हम थोड़ा सा बांग्ला में एक वर्ड बोलेंगे कि ना डॉक्टर बाबू आपने तो बोलेছেন আমার ব্যথা চলে যাবে কিন্তু ব্যথা কোথায় গেল এখনো তো হাঁটতে পারছি না maybe the region that is মানে his or shoulder is hurting, neck is hurting, back is hurting. So this is pain relief in what reference. The third thing is the restoration of the function, knee movement, alignment, whatever it is, you have to clarify that what does it mean by the restoration of the function and increased activity. There are two things which you have to clarify. Nobody can, whoever is hardly able to walk before the surgery will not be the marathon runner after the surgery. So these are the things which we have to clarify to the patient what you should expect. Something gone wrong. Oh, कंप्यूटर भी बोर हो गया. So how we should start? At least we should tell something about the our surgery to the patient. That is how you will do it. That is it should be basically resurfacing. Patient used to ask whether you are going to replace our whole knee with the artificial one. So basically the replacement may be misnomer for me at least. You should tell them no, it's a resurfacing and you are going to change the damaged part of the bone, and the second part is the balancing of ligament, and third part is the restoration of alignment and the movement. So after the describing about the surgery, you should at least tell what is the implant material, and there are maybe little bit differences. It's not always cobalt chrome. You have to ask your company guys which company you are going to use and what is the material. That is very much important. Sometimes they might tell you, okay, मैं तो ये लगाने वाला था, then आपने ये लगा दिया. So this is very common in our practice. So there are certain other things which you have to discuss. Maybe whether you want to do the single knee or you want to do the both knees simultaneous. What is the expenses? When it is cost effective, and most important, durability. I don't know how much we tell. Can I ask a question? How much we should tell? Survival time. This is a very good forum. There should be a consensus. Dr. Tripathi, may I ask one question? If somebody asks what is the durability of this joint, how much we should tell?
Which implant?
For the knee, not for the hip. Unfortunately, I prepared this presentation for the knee. Maybe common one, Johnson & Johnson fixed ear. It's for all of us.
Under ideal conditions, 20 years.
Okay. So it's okay. In ideal conditions, we can say it's up to 20 years. Maybe somewhere we can, on the safe side, we can say, okay, 85 to 90% knee survive up to 20 years. The second thing which we need to tell them, they usually ask whether how much time you will take. I would like to use that Bangla word. Dr. Babu, koto din rest dite hobe. I think you can understand this Bengali a little bit. So they ask 3 months, 2 months. No, you have to explain them how you are going to do, how you are planning your rehab after the surgery. So commonly you can ask them to get out of the bed, and day 1, day 2 is walking day. 4, 5 you can start stair climbing. This may change because this is the common one. Usually we discharge the patient maybe 5, 7 days, but it came down to the 3 days also. There is no issue at all. After 6 weeks, you can allow the driving or walking without aid, and 10 to 12 weeks should be the full recovery.